Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, my review. So today it's not gonna be about the leaks of any smartphone, any rumors, nothing like that, but I have something more interesting to tell you because an app with more than 1 billions of downloads can be used to get through your device. So with more than 1 billion downloads, ES File Explorer is one of the most famous Android file manager. This may surprise you as if you open the app at least once, anyone can connect the same local network and can remotely get a file from your phone. So Twitter user Elliot Ederson mentioned this in his tweet and also attached a YouTube video with it, which I'll post the link in the description. You check it from there. How the file can be taken out from the smartphone who have used ES File Explorer, and the manufacturers have mentioned that they will fix it soon, but this kind of information is not good for the company and also the consumers. So I uploaded it to make you aware that if you were using it, then your data may be stolen by some hackers in your local network. So this is all for today guys. If you enjoyed the video, then please give it a big thumbs up and till my next video, peace.